Alright, we're going to replace the spring on a Pro Angler, and I ran into an issue because the way it was in there was wrong, and the only video out there I could find does it the same way. But you can see how this part sticks out from the spring, and this part is in line with the spring. So this is the part we want in the rudder, and this is the part we want into the outside of the housing. So we're going to stick it in there. We're going to make sure it goes far enough with the screwdriver so that it can seat in there, and actually when it swings up, it's going to catch on the inside of that black piece down in there, that black little fin. So now, go ahead, put it in the rudder. And now we're going to use a screwdriver to make sure everything lines up before we push it into position. And it should pop up like that, and we gotta put the bracket on top. Line everything up. And there we go. Now it should rest in the stow position and flip to the full position.